Really helpful post here from this amazing person. It's just in response to the post I did about the 4% increase that teachers are getting. Obviously, TAs getting nothing, supply teachers getting nothing, support staff getting nothing as well, obviously. But in regard to this person's saying that if you offer daily rates, let's say around about £170 to the schools, they don't even look at you and refer work with agents. It's crazy, isn't it? So these schools are mental. Like, I've done a post again recently about why I think that where all the school money is going, considering we pump in so much money into education, where's it all going? I've done another post about that. You can see it in my thread. But it's crazy because schools are spending I know for secondary schools it's something like £230 per day per supply teacher that goes in. That supply teacher's only getting something like 150 or something like that. And this person's saying, well, actually, yeah, if I go into the school privately and say, hey, it's 170, you're saving like what? My maths is really bad. 60 quid. The school's saving £60, which all works out, which all builds up, and you're gaining, according to this, 20 quid. Like, why would you not want to go? Why would you not want to do that for? So when I was a teacher, 11 years ago now, obviously, if you don't know me by now, hi, my name's Dale. I'm an ex-teacher, science and PE, head of department. I left because I was being bullied, blah, blah, blah. I left because I was being bullied, but then I went to nothing, which meant I was getting no income. And it was at the same time I was building my life coaching for kids business. And obviously, nobody knew what that was back then. So I was just doing it from scratch and I didn't really know what to do. So I had to get some work in. So I went for supply agencies. I was going in. I think I was only on something like anywhere between 90 to 120 pounds a day, which is embarrassing. But this was 10 years ago or so it's fine. Then I went to certain schools and I said, hey, I'm Dale, the PE supply expert. I created my own business with that, not knowing really what I was doing, just a limited company. Or was it sole trader? I think it was a limited company. And I went into a few schools. I did get rejected, so this person's completely correct. I did get rejected from some schools, but I also got accepted for off the top of my head, three schools, and they were going to me directly, which meant they were saving money. So those schools have got brains, really. If they want to save their budget, and they're not going, hey, which schools have got no budget? Well, think about where your money's going, you dickhead. I mean, come on, think about it. I'm literally saving you £60 a day, and I was going in sometimes about anywhere between 2 to 4 times a week over like the term in some schools. And the good thing about supply teaching is you don't get to on the books. You don't have to plan work. It's all done for you. So you're saving so much time, which means I can come back and spend time with my family, with my girlfriend, with my pug, you know, even though he's actually 10, so we got him just after that. But do you know what I mean? So yeah, really, really useful. So what am I trying to say? If you are a teacher and you are fed up with the workload, you love teaching but hate the admin, and you do want to take leap and you do want to do something different, then supply teaching could be for you. It is a bit sticky, it is a bit tough, especially if the work's not there, and I do get that. But if you want to use that as a source of income for you to build your own, I don't know, business, whatever it could be, like life coaching kids like I did, then first of all, if you want to know that, just let me know and I can help you out with it. It's easier than you think. I know when we say the word business, it's scary, isn't it? But genuinely, it's not. When you know what to do and how to do it step by step, it turns out to be quite easy, especially in tax as well. I've got a system of how you can do that really easy. But if you want to go into schools and do supply teaching, create your own business where you are go to some supply agencies. My arm's aching. Go to some supply agencies. Get to know the schools. Let the schools get to know you. Find out your favourites. Go behind the agency's back, okay? Because they're all just money-grabbing thieves, in my opinion. And speak to the school directly and say, hey, I know you're doing this. I know the agency's charging you this. What if you were to come to me directly with this, okay? When I was a supply teacher, I got a contract with the school. The school had to pay the agency a finder's fee. This is what I'm saying about them being money-grabbing little buggers. I'll tell you who it was Monarch Education in Birmingham. Monarch Education did that. And it's not just them, they all do it. There's Aspire Education, there's loads of them. They all do that. So, you know, if they're doing that, why can't you just be like, yeah, no, you know what, I don't want to go for you anymore, I'm going to speak to the school directly. It's fine. And if the school's got anything about them and they've got half a brain cell, they would obviously choose to go with you. And again, the good thing about that is you're not marking, you're not planning, you're going in there, you're building rapport, and you're coming out at the end of the day and you've got your life with you. The only bad thing is it's not consistent, but it kind of all balances itself out. Anyway, I hope that helped. I've got 5 minutes. Sorry, guys, this was a long time. 5 minutes talking about that. Any questions, or if you're a supply teacher as well, I'd love to hear your thoughts. If I've said anything wrong or misleading, just let me know, because I'm just kind of ad-libbing right now. But if that makes sense, let me know as well. Anyway, have a cool day. I'm going to crack on with my walk.